Welcome back to the Eagle Eye tutorial videos. In this video, you will learn how to add jobs to a route. The Add Job to Route button allows you to add a one-time job to a new or existing route. This is generally used for an existing customer that needs a one-time occurrence job. If you need to schedule a new job for a new route, you must use the Customer Center to add the job. To add jobs or route names, go to Route Builder and click the Add Jobs to Route button. A pop-up window will appear. Search for the existing job in the Search Jobs engine. Select the job that you want to add. Then, select a route to which the job will be added. Take note that you can also make a new route reference name by typing it into the field. Then, click the Add Job Route button. The job will then be added to the existing route you selected. You can also add an additional route to the day by selecting the Just Add Route Without Job option. This is used when you want to move a job from an existing route to a newly added route or from park to the newly added route. In Eagle Eye, you can purchase the basic subscription that comes with 10 routes and assign 10 jobs or route names to each route. If your route has already 10 jobs or route names and you want to add more jobs, you can create another route and add more jobs or route names to the newly created route. If you have reached the number of routes and jobs for your basic subscription, you can purchase additional routes and make them available for job scheduling. Ultimately, one of the best features of Eagle Eye is that you can optimize your routes by moving jobs to different routes. This feature helps you reduce travel time and save money. Simplify your wheel-based operations now. Get a free assessment or book a free demo and start your free trial now. Email us at info@eagleeyetracking.com or call us at 1-855-338-7225. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.